Oh, deadly. Fuck, that ice is clear. Hey? Yeah. Oh, Kyle's got to get him turned. Look how clear the ice is. Will he bring it in? The great Samson brings him in. Let him. Oh, I'm just going to kick the shit over. No. And there he is. Nice little fikey. Fucking Kyle's catching the big ones and I'm catching the small ones. Is he can't get it up?
No, it's right in the corner here.
Oh fuck, okay.